Dear student, we are in our lecture number 5 of thermodynamics for NEET and JEE. કેમ છો બધા? Fine. In last lecture we discussed about some concept and MCQs of thermodynamics. Now remaining we are going to discuss first one. Given the process given છે, given the processes, given two processes, one by two P4 solid plus 3 Cl2 gas gives PCl3 liquid. Here change in enthalpy is minus 635 kilojoule. In PCl5 liquid, PCl3 liquid plus Cl2 gas, it gives PCl5 solid. Here delta H is minus 137 kilojoule. The value of formation enthalpy of PCl5 is what is formation enthalpy? Formation means whenever compound is formed from its elements, that is called formation enthalpy. We have to derive PCl5 from its original element. So here should be 1 phosphorus and 5 chlorine. So 5 by 2 Cl2 and 1 by 4. 1 by 4 P4 getting mate. For the getting 1 by 4 P4, equation 1 we have to divide by 2. Then we will add equation second into first. So equation 1 divide by 2. So 1 by 4 P4, 3 by 2 Cl2 and PCl3. Here 2 PCl3 given. Yes, in the question. So when we divide by 2, so it will be PCl3. And when we divide value 635 by 2, 315 and 2.5. So 317.5. Value of it 317.5 kilojoule. Yes. Now second equation we are adding there. PCl3 plus Cl2 gives PCl5. Here value of delta H minus 137. PCl3 opposite side cut. So 1 by 4 P4 means 1 phosphorus. 3 by 2 plus 1. So 2 1 are 2. 5 by 2, yes. So here 5 by 2 Cl2 and gives PCl5. So here addition of both 7, 14, 1, 5 kilojoule is answer. 454.5 kilojoule is our answer. Understood? Now next question. The standard heat of formation of next question. The standard of formation of methane, CO2 gas and H2O liquid are minus 76, minus 390 and minus 2240 kilojoule per mole respectively. Calculate the amount of heat evolved by burning 1 meter cube of methane measured under normal condition. Here, methane when burns completely in presence of oxygen, so gives carbon dioxide and water. Here hydrogen 4, we have to balance our reaction. This is our balance reaction. Here delta H of the reaction, how much? We know total enthalpy change of the reaction is the total formation enthalpy of the product minus total formation enthalpy of the reactant. So CO2 and H2O is our product. So delta F of H CO2 for 1 mole plus 2 mole formation enthalpy of the water, then formation enthalpy of methane plus formation enthalpy of oxygen. So here CO2, value of CO2 is 390. 2 multiply by 240, which is for water. For methane it is 76. Here oxygen is element, so enthalpy of the element should be 0. So minus 390 minus 480 plus 76. So it is minus 870 plus 76. So minus 794 kilojoule per mole. Yes, sir. This is per mole. The 1 mole methane burns, so it gives 794. But we have to derive for 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube means 1000 liter. 1 mole means under standard condition 22.4. But 1 meter cube means 1000 liter. For 1 mole methane, so 22.4 liter. Burning of methane releases 794 kilojoule heat, and 1 meter cube means 1000 liter. So at 1000 liter, how much? 794 into 1000 divided by 22.4. So 35446 kilojoule is our answer. 35446 6 kilojoule. 35446. Gated value is for 1 mole from the reaction. We are converting into per 1000 liter. 1 mole is 22.4 liter standard condition, normal. So 22.4 liter burning of methane से आटली हीट रिलीज करे तो 1000 liter how much? Now next, next question. અહીં આપણે જુદા જુદા ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન્સ જોઈએ છીએ જે પૂછાય છે. Calculate the enthalpy change when 50 milli of 0.01 molarity calcium hydroxide reacts with 25 milli of 0.01 molarity HCl. Given that delta H degree neutralization of strong acid and base is strong acid and strong base is 140 kilocalorie per mole. Understood? Now here actually what happens, from the molarity we can derive some mole. Molarity is equal to mole per liter. Yes, sir. So mole equal to molarity into volume in liter. For first for HCl, molarity of HCl is 0.01, volume is 25 and divide by 1000 by this one is in milliliter. આપણે લિટર માં લેવાનું છે. So 0.01 चलो 25 into 10 raised to 3 moves upward and 2, so minus 5 mole of HCl. So HCl is a strong acid, completely ionizes in water. So 25 into 10 raised to minus 5 mole completely gives 25 into 10 raised to minus 5 mole. Understood? Now mole of magnesium hydroxide. So molarity is equal to mole per liter. So mole of calcium hydroxide equal to molarity into volume in liter. Molarity is 0.01. Volume is 50 divided by 1000. So 50 into 10 raised to minus 5 mole. So calcium hydroxide gives 1 calcium ion and 2 OH minus. So 50 into 10 raised to minus 5 mole gives 2 into 50, 10 raised to minus 5, so 100 into 10 raised to minus 5 mole. So here our gated value, which one is more? Yes, mole of H plus is higher than OH. એટલે જેટલા H plus હશે એટલો જ વોટર બનશે. આ ભલે ને મોર છે, આ લેસ છે. So 8 to 25 into 10 raised to minus 5 mole H plus react with syn 25 into 10 raised to minus 5 mole and gives 25 into 10 raised to minus 5 mole water. So whenever 1 mole water releases, so 140 kilojoule neutralization enthalpy occurs. For this one, how much? Understood? Yes. 1 mole water release થાય, so it means 140 kilocalorie. Energy liberates. So 25 into 10 raised to minus 5 mole, how much? This is our answer. So 140 into 25 into 10 raised to minus 5. So answer will be 0.035 kilocalorie. When we multiply by 1000, so 35 calorie. Understood? Now next question. Equal volume. Next question here. Equal volumes of 1 molarity HCl and 1 molarity H2SO4 are neutralized by neutralized by 1 molarity NaOH. Yes. Solution and X and Y kilojoule per equivalent of heat are liberated. Liberates here. Liberated. Heat releases respectively. So, respectively, what happens here actually? 1 molarity HCl, 1 molarity sulfuric acid neutralized with 1 molarity NaOH. X and Y kilojoule heat releases. HCl से NaOH साथ react करे तो X, H2SO4 react करे तो Y. Which of the following relation is correct? Which of the following relation is the correct? So A, one by one. X is equal to 2y. B, X is equal to 3y. X is equal to 4y. And X is equal to 1 by 2y. Here H2SO4 gives 2H plus ion. Understood? 1 mole gives 2 mole H plus ion, where HCl 1 mole gives 1 mole H plus ion. So for HCl, release heat is suppose X, for Y is for H2SO for Y. So Y is doubled, then X. Yes, here released heat for H2SO for with NaOH will be doubled. Why? 2 mole of H plus due to Y is equal to 2X. So X is equal to 1 by 2 is our answer. Next, next question. Which of the following acid will release the maximum amount of heat? When completely neutralized by strong base, sodium hydroxide. Option R, 1 molarity HCl, 1 molarity of HNO3, C, 1 molarity of perchloric acid and 1 molarity of sulfuric acid. Tell me, which one? Yes, sir. For HCl, it gives 1 mole H plus. For HNO3 also, it gives 1 molarity during ionization. For HClO4 gives H plus ClO4 minus, which is also 1. But for sulfuric acid, it gives 2 molarity. 1 molarity sulfuric acid gives 2 molarity H plus ion. So answer is D. Maximum heat will be liberated when H2SO4 is reacting with NaOH. The 2 mole of H plus ion combines with 2 mole of NaOH and releases more heat. Next question. From the given information, find out determine the heat. Next question. Determine the heat of transformation of C, carbon in diamond state into graphite. Our diamond is converting into graphite from the following data. Tell me, first, C, diamond. When react with the oxygen, so convert into CO2 gas. So delta H degree will be minus 94.5 kilocalorie. And now second, C graphite burns with oxygen, gives also CO2. Here combustion enthalpy is minus 94 kilocalorie. Very simple. We are adding equation first and second. Now we are subtracting second from first. So C diamond minus C graphite plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel. Here minus plus, so minus 94.5 minus 94. So it will be now plus. So minus 0.5 kilocalorie. This side 0. So C diamond on another side of the arrow, it will be plus. So when 1 mole diamond is converting into 1 mole graphite, so heat releases 0.5 kilocalorie. It means diamond is less stable than graphite. Graphite chain energy decreased, more stable. So graphite is more stable than diamond. If graphite is converting into diamond, then it will be absorbed plus 5 kilocalorie. Next, yes. Now next question. The heat energy required to ionize the following molecules is given as follows. One by one, N2 gas gives N2 plus gas. Here delta H1 ionization enthalpy. O2 into O2 plus ionization enthalpy delta H2. Li2 gas into Li2 gas plus is the delta H3. And now C2 gas, so delta H4 gives C2 plus. Which relation is true? Delta H1, delta H3, delta H2, delta H4. B, delta H2, delta H3, delta H1, delta H4. C, delta H3, delta H4, delta H1, delta H2. Now D, delta H3, delta H1, delta H4 and delta H2. Here, which one is true? In the second period, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. From left to right, ionization enthalpy increases. So highest is of O2, so delta H2. Lithium is metallic by nature. reduction potential of the lithium is the highest. Ionization enthalpy of lithium is less than oxygen, and another last nitrogen, and last is of carbon. So answer is B. From the ionization enthalpy, answer is given. Now calculate the lattice energy for the reaction. Lattice energy from the reaction. For the reaction, Li gas plus Cl gas gives LiCl solid. Some data is given. Sublimation enthalpy of lithium is 160.67 kilojoule per mole. Dissociation enthalpy of chlorine molecule 122.7 kilojoule per mole. Ionization enthalpy of lithium 520 kilojoule per mole. Electron gain enthalpy of the chlorine is minus 365.26 kilojoule per mole, and formation enthalpy of LiCl is minus 401.66 kilojoule per mole. So find out lattice enthalpy. Yes, sir. Actually we know formation enthalpy equal to sublimation enthalpy plus dissociation enthalpy plus ionization enthalpy of lithium and electron gain enthalpy of chlorine minus lattice enthalpy. This is the formula. The first Li solid convert into Li gas. So sublimation. Then after Li gas releases 1 mole electron. એટલે પહેલા તો લિથિયમ સોલિડ માંથી 1 મોલ ગેસ બને. એ 1 મોલ ગેસ 1 મોલ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રિલીઝ કરે એટલે આયોનાઇઝેશન એન્થાલ્પી. પછી ક્લોરીન નો જે મોલેક્યુલ્સ હોય એમાંથી એટમ બને. So dissociation. Then after chlorine gains electron gain enthalpy. Then Li plus and Cl minus combine. So that is the lattice enthalpy. Minus means due to attraction, positive negative energy releases, so it is minus. Here formation enthalpy is minus 401.66. Sublimation enthalpy 106.67. Dissociation 122.17. Ionization enthalpy plus 520. Electron gain is minus 365.26. Then U we have to define. So here our value will be minus 839.21 kilojoule per mole. That is our answer. Understood? Now next, For the reaction, for the process, NH3 gas plus HCl gas gives NH4Cl solid. A option, delta H positive and delta S positive. B, delta H negative and delta S positive. C, delta H is positive and delta S is negative. D, delta H is negative and delta S is also negative. Which one is the true? Yes. Actually, ammonia gas, HCl gas, 2 mole of gas combining and it gives 1 mole solid. Whenever gas is converting to solid, entropy decreases. So delta is negative. Ammonia is base, HCl is acid. So whenever acid and base combines, it gives salt. So due to attraction between them, energy releases. So delta H negative. So answer is D. Now, new question. 16 gram of helium. Yes, now question about entropy. Helium weighing 60 gram is expanded from 1 atmosphere to 1/10, 1/10 of its original pressure. At 30 degrees Celsius. Calculate the change in entropy. Here we have to assume our rest is ideal behavior. Here mole of helium, mass upon molecular mass, 16/4, so 4 mole of helium. Initial pressure is 1 atmosphere. Final is 1/10. So here delta S is equal to nRT. nR linear, not T. nR linear P1 upon P2. Yes, sir. N is 4 mole. For getting answer in joule, 8.314. Here 2.303 log. P1 is 1, P2 is 1/10. Upons say up so 4 into 8.314, 2.303 and log 10. Value of log 10 is 1. So 4 into 8.314, 2.303 and 1. So answer is 76.59. Our gated value in joule per Kelvin. Last 2 questions of the day. Last 2. Here determine the entropy change for the question. Determine the entropy change for the reaction given below. 2H2 gas plus O2 gas gives 2H2O liquid. At 300 Kelvin temperature. Yes, sir. If standard entropy is of H2, O2 and H2O are 126.6, then 210.20 and 68 joule per Kelvin per mole respectively. Here we know for this reaction, total entropy change of the reaction is equal to entropy of the product minus total entropy of the reactant. So your product is 2 mole of H2O minus 2 mole entropy of hydrogen and 1 mole of entropy of oxygen. So entropy of the water is 68. Yes, minus entropy of hydrogen 126.6 and entropy of oxygen 210.20. Here minus into bracket 253.2 212.20. 136 minus 454.90 40. So answer is 318.4 joule per Kelvin is our answer. Now student બધા ધ્યાન આપજો, વ્યવસ્થિત જોજો અને આવા સેમ એક્ઝામ્પલ રેફરન્સ બુકમાંથી સોલ્વ કરજો. Calculate entropy change. Calculate entropy change when 10 mole of an ideal acid, 10 mole of an ideal gas expands reversibly and isothermally from an initial volume of 10 liter to 100 liter at 300 Kelvin. Yes, we know delta S is equal to nR ln V2 upon V1, but in the logarithm 2.303 nR log V2 upon V1, V2 is final volume. Here mole is given 10 mole ideal gas. Value of R in joule 8.314. So our answer in joule. Final volume 100 liter, it expanding E2. Initial is 10. So value of log 10 is 1. So here log 10 means 1. So 2.303 into 10 into 8.314, 191.24 joule is our answer. Joule per Kelvin, it is a unit. Now we will meet in our last lecture. Bye. Take care.